Ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed to the distribution of certificates of completion and special awards to be given by our guest of honor and speaker, Police Brigadier General Victor B. Arevalo, to be assisted by Training Manager, ORC RLBD, and Acting Provincial Director of Cavite TPO, and also our Chief RPS Broccoli. Citation reads, these certificates of completion are hereby presented to the 366 members of field training exercise on the job training of PSFTP Class 2023-01 Kalasak Lahi for having satisfactorily fulfilled all the requirements prescribed for public safety field training program conducted by the Regional Special Training Unit 4A to be received by Patrolwoman Jaya Titeras, Regimental Commander. Likewise, the Leadership Award is also presented to her for being the Regimental Commander of the PSFTP Class Kalasak Lahi, given this 22nd day of November 2024 at Flight First Lieutenant Venancio de Salvacino, Barangay Osorio, Quezon Norte City, Cavite. Same certificate is presented to Patrolwoman Jenrich A. Borrello for being the overall class president of PSFTP Class Kalasak Lahi. May we now proceed to the announcement of academic awards. Certificate of recognition is hereby presented to Patrolwoman Via Angelo de Leon Catapa for having garnered the final average of 97.15% as top 3 of PSFTP Kalasak Lahi. Same certificate is presented to Patrolman Jason Mamanta Esquillo for having garnered the highest final average of 97.18% as top 2 of PSFTP Kalasak Lahi. Same certificate is presented to Patrolman Christian Anthony Abarencos Rocafort for having garnered the highest final average of 97.65% as top 1 among the 366 members of PSFTP Class Kalasak Lahi. Again, let us give them a round of applause. Thank you, sir. And please be seated. At this juncture, we will now proceed to the ceremonial wearing of badge. The PNP Badge of Honor was created to instill in the heart of all uniformed personnel the honor and pride that comes with the wearing of the police badge, and to remind them of their primary duties, that is to serve and protect the people with seriousness and to uphold the law at all times. May we request Police Lieutenant Colonel Darwin D. Balderas, Assistant Training Manager, for the recitation of PNP Badge of Honor.
Upon taking the oath and assumption to office, you are invested by the people and the law with authority as a law enforcer. The 50 badge now pinned on your left of your breast is the symbol of that legal authority. It's so placed nearer to your heart to remind you of the fidelity and dedication to duty expected of you as a public servant. You have been entrusted with the badge as a symbol of your readiness as a police officer to serve and protect the people from whom you derive. the power and authority to enforce the laws of the land without fear or favor. You are to oversee the general welfare of the people and ensure that peace and order is maintained at all times. You shall ever be mindful that the police is the protector of the weak, defender of the innocent, and advocate of human rights. At the center of our badge is the PNP held bravely by our hero Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders despite being inferiorly equipped. Inside the cell are the virtues of service, honor, and justice. They remind you to always render the highest form of service for our fellow men. You are to serve the citizenry with a commitment of sacrifice and willingness to die in service of God, country, and people. Exemplary conduct on your part will convince our people that you merit the just leader and authority as you patrol the streets and walk your daily bread. Walk tall, head up, and bravely face the daily dangers of duty. Keep the bags unsullied and free of any breaks of fidelity. By the regularity of your conduct, always endeavor to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You are to preserve our cherished customs and traditions and never countenance any deviation from them nor allow them to be friends. Your dignity as a police officer, symbolized by the badge, is now pinned in your heart. Never swerve from your solemn oath. Violate your vows or betray the public trust. I am a police officer. I will now wear my badge.
May we request our guest, the Honorary Speaker, Police Brigadier General Victor B. Arevalo, together with Training Manager Aristine Corby, OIC